Now with COVID, we have people are stressed, they're afraid of their families during lockdown or after lockdown. They're not sure about their future. So first thing what we need to do as HR is understand this situation. And our role becomes, and we're cutting their salaries, they don't know if they're gonna have a job after 2 months. The first thing in our role is what? To empower them, to give them all the positive energy they need to succeed and do much more in their life as people and as employees. And one thing I don't really agree that with COVID, the communication is lesser. I personally feel, I don't know how you feel, all of you, that during COVID, communication is much stronger. I used to spend 2 hours in going to the airport, 5 hours in a plane to go to Egypt, for example, to spend 1 day or 1.5 days and come back. I used 2.5 days to do that. When COVID started, we started with Zoom. We can jump on a call just like that. So, of course, the face-to-face communication is not always there, but there are other ways of communication that we can keep, as long as we have the proper intention. And the intention is our employees, their well-being. Our job is to help them cross this difficult time. Because for some people, it's much more difficult than company. And here as an HR, what we need to do is inject this culture into the management team and making sure that everyone also is doing the same. One of the companies I was working for in the at the beginning of COVID, the first thing we did, I mean, they told us, okay, what we need to do is to have a Corona. It was not named COVID yet. It was, I mean, called Corona, a Corona plan. So I told them it's easy, since they're not going to the office. We put the plan. Get a Zoom call with your team twice a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon, even if it's for 15 minutes. During the Zoom call, stop talking about business only. Check on them, see what's happening in their house. Not in an invasive way, okay? So we don't know, but I mean, it was not easy staying at home 24/7. So we needed to help the people cross that time. And this is our role as managers, especially as HR managers.